Hi everyone! Today I have a beautiful idea for flower-type cookies to share with you. These cookies are surprisingly easy to make and turn out both pretty and delicious, melting in your mouth with each bite. They're perfect for making with the kids. It's such a fun activity. Additionally, these cookies make great gifts and are perfect for celebrating the spring and Easter holidays. Let's get started. In a mixing bowl, combine 2 medium eggs, half cup of dark granulated sugar, and half cup of sunflower oil, or any kind of oil you prefer. In another bowl, combine the dry ingredients: 2½ cups of all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, 1 teaspoon of vanilla flavor, and pinch of salt. Incorporate the dry ingredients into the wet mixture. Mix until it forms a slightly sticky dough look like this. It should not be too wet or not too firm. I am going to make 5 flower-sized cookies, but feel free to shape the cookies as you like. Take 1 teaspoon of dough and roll it into balls. Arrange the balls to form a flower shape as shown in the video. Using it to thick shape the outer balls like flower petals and pin the edges of the petals. Make an indentation in the center of each cookie. Add jam in the center. Next, bake in preheated oven at 300 degrees Fahrenheit or 180 degrees Celsius for about 15 to 20 minutes or until beautiful golden color. Once cookies are baked, let them cool completely on a wire rack. My cookies have cooled, and there we have it. Pretty and delicious cookies ready to be enjoyed. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. Thank you for watching.